Navigating the vast oceans can be a thrilling experience, but it also comes with its own set of challenges, especially when it comes to avoiding collisions. That's where the COLREGs come into play. The International Regulations for Preventing Collisions at Sea, or COLREGs, are a set of rules established by the International Maritime Organization. They are designed to ensure that vessels can safely navigate through busy waters, preventing accidents that could lead to disastrous consequences. Imagine a bustling highway, but instead of cars, you have ships of all shapes and sizes moving through the water. Just like traffic lights and road signs keep drivers safe on the road, the COLREGs provide a framework for maritime navigation. These rules are not just suggestions, they are legally binding for all vessels on the high seas, ensuring that everyone plays by the same rules, no matter where they are in the world. One of the key principles of the COLREGs is the concept of give way. This means that certain vessels must yield to others to avoid collisions. For example, a power-driven vessel must give way to a sailing vessel, and a vessel under sail must give way to a vessel that is not under command. This hierarchy helps to clarify who has the right of way, reducing confusion and enhancing safety. Another critical rule is the requirement for vessels to maintain a proper lookout. This means that crews must be vigilant and attentive to their surroundings at all times. Whether it's spotting another ship on the horizon or detecting changes in weather conditions, keeping a sharp lookout is essential for preventing accidents. It's not just about having radar or GPS, it's about the human element. Eyes on the water can make all the difference. The COLREGs also emphasize the importance of safe speed. Vessels must travel at a speed that allows them to take proper and effective action to avoid collisions. This means being aware of the conditions around you, whether it's heavy traffic, poor visibility, or rough seas. A vessel moving too fast may not have enough time to react to unexpected situations, leading to potential disasters. And let's not forget about the significance of sound signals. When vessels are in close proximity, they use sound signals to communicate their intentions. For instance, if a ship is maneuvering to starboard, it will sound one short blast. If it's turning to port, it will sound two short blasts. These signals are crucial for ensuring that everyone knows what to expect, reducing the risk of misunderstandings that could lead to collisions. The beauty of the COLREGs lies in their universality. No matter where you are in the world, these rules apply. This global standardization is vital for international shipping, allowing vessels from different countries to operate safely together. It fosters cooperation and understanding among mariners, creating a safer environment for everyone on the water. In summary, the COLREGs are essential for preventing collisions at sea. They provide a clear set of guidelines that help vessels navigate safely through busy waters. By understanding and adhering to these rules, mariners can ensure not only their own safety, but also the safety of others. So, the next time you see a ship on the horizon, remember the intricate dance of navigation happening behind the scenes, all thanks to the COLREGs.